Let's take Python programming a bit further and look at something called variables and how we use them. Variables are something that can change. So my program, the values stored in that variable will change throughout the program. As I add different values in, I might add something to it, take something away. And best examples are a score in a game. That's going to change, hopefully going up. Okay. So a variable is stored in the computer's memory, the RAM. It's stored temporarily. So because that is something called volatile, when I switch the computer off, the value stored in there will disappear, or I close my program. When I do that, the value is going to disappear. It's only temporary. In Python, what I do is I assign a value to the variable. So for example, I could create a variable called age and assign the value 9 to it. So age equals 9. I need to assign a value to it. But it's only a temporary store of data throughout the life when the program's running, throughout the life of the running program. When you close a program or you switch the computer off, it disappears. To create a variable, we're going to start with this program here. So if you could write this out in idle, print should go purple and welcome to my program should go green. So now if we add some more code to it, so print welcome to my program, and my variable is called your name. And if we look at that line of code, that third line of code in bold there, your name equals input. Please tell me your name, colon. Notice the quotation marks there and the brackets. And then underneath that, print nice to meet you and your name. Now, if you create that program, it will look something like this. Notice that print is in purple and my writing, my output is in green. It should go green. You can use single or double quotation marks there. It's up to you. I always use the double because I like to keep the single in case I need to write apostrophe. But that's up to you. Now, there's the program. So I've saved it now and I'm going to run it. And here is my command. Here's my program running. So it says, welcome to my program. Please tell me your name. So if I type my name in there, it says, nice to meet you, Bob. So what it's done is it's taken your name. Your name was the variable and it was assigned the value Bob. Then it outputs, nice to meet you, Bob, which is the value of that. If I close that, so what I'm talking about, it's being a temporary store of data there, and I run that again, and this time I put in a different name, Rodney Trotter. Now it tells me, nice to meet you, Rodney Trotter. Okay, so that's only a temporary store of data. In other videos, I'm going to cover more permanent stores of data, but just for use in the program while it's running, it temporarily stores Rodney Trotter there, my variable. Okay, so try that out for yourself. That is the program. Create an input, and then store it in a variable, and see how that works.